In the previous video, we managed to extract some stats for test 1 of our class, and in this video I'll show you how to get the list of people that were absent in this test and to contact them to write the second test. So what we can do is use the filter for that, and that's under data. And now we want to filter column E and check where we've got the A value, like that one. So you select E, you go to filter, and immediately there will be a little drop down menu there. So you click on that, and now we can say let's choose option A. So we deselect everything, and I only want to see the ones with A. So there's our 4 students. Now these 4 students, we can actually easily just mark them and copy and paste them to a Word document or somewhere else on your Excel sheet and contact them. And it's pretty much that easy. If you want to see the rest of your data, you can just click on filter again and it will remove all your filters. So for example, if you want to see which students failed the test, you can go to F and we say filter again, drop down, and now we say let's get all the ones less than 50%. Just be careful when you work with percentages. 100% is basically 1, so you need 0.5 to get to 50%. So now it will list all those 13 students that managed to get less than 50% for this test, and then you can contact them. And that's how filters work, and it's quite easy. So once you have your students that was absent, for example, the moment they write their second test and get their mark, you can just populate the mark here. So let's say, for example, this guy got 40. The moment you do that, everything else will be populated. When you go down here, you'll see the absent change from 4 to 3. And because this guy got a distinction, the distinction jumped from 16 to 17. So all your functions will still work pretty much dynamically. So we can quickly give these guys their marks. And now we can see we had none absent, and all the data is now in the sheet. In the next video, I will show you how to calculate the year-end mark from different tests and exams and practicals. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video and found the information useful. Let me know in the comments if there's any other topics you would like me to cover, and to remember to hit the subscribe button.